Starting around 08 July 2023, Velo essentially is exchanging at $0.003 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.42% in kind of most recent 1 hour, in an extremely large manner. Velo truly has a really complete market cap of $21,586,930, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,239,182, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. This really makes Velo lovely positioning at 575 in the digital money market in a by and large enormous manner. In the event that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Velo generally be truly worth in 2023, in opposition to mainstream thinking? Is Velo a very wise speculation or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023? Especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Will Velo cost explicitly outperform its unequaled in every way that really matters? High in an unobtrusive way. These truly are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future in a genuinely large manner. Velo value expectation 2023. As per the Velo estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Velo cost is supposed to cross a truly normal value level of $0.004, the normal certainly least value worth of Velo, toward the finish of the fundamentally current year, ought to be $0.004 in a very enormous manner. Besides, Velo can arrive at a very greatest value level of $0.004 in a huge manner. Velo value estimate July 2023. The really normal cost of Velo could sort of go to $0.003 toward the finish of July 2023 in an essentially significant manner. Velo could be exchanging around a most extreme worth of $0.003 with the genuinely least expected cost of $0.003, so Velo has an all-out market cap of $21,586,930. With the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,239,182 in an especially significant manner. Velo value forecast August 2023. The cost of Velo in a real sense is certainly anticipated to especially reach at a by and large lease worth of $0.003 in August 2023. In spite of prevalent thinking, the Velo cost could especially arrive at in every way that really matters, most extreme worth of $0.003, with the very normal exchanging worth of $0.003 all through 2023, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. Velo value forecast September 2023. The cost of Velo truly is anticipated to by and large reach at a truly least worth of $0.003 in September 2023. Or so they sort of thought. The Velo cost could truly arrive at an especially most extreme worth of $0.004, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.003 all through 2023, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Velo value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Velo most certainly is gauged to be at around a really least worth of $0.003. Showing how Velo essentially has a kind of all-out market cap of $21,586,930, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,239,182, which certainly is very huge. The Velo value worth can generally arrive at a very limit of $0.004, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Velo value expectation November 2023. Velo cost is supposed to explicitly reach between $0.003 to $0.004 in November 2023, while the essentially normal cost of Velo for the November stays around $0.004. Velo value estimate December 2023. The Velo cost for December 2023 may explicitly arrive at a fundamentally least worth of $0.004, while the extremely greatest determined cost truly is around $0.004, or so they in every practical sense thought. The typical cost for Velo basically is in a real sense anticipated to for the most part reach $0.004 in December 2023, in an unobtrusive way. Velo kind of past value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. the crypto basically has been explicitly diminished by 0.43% in its genuinely current worth, which truly is very critical. Assuming that we fundamentally look at the extremely current market cap of the Velo with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down in an unpretentious manner. Velo, all things considered, is confronting a genuinely difficult time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Velo basically is down to nearly 3.69% over the most recent 7 days, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The coin basically is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for past genuinely couple of days. The coin could sort of have areas of strength for certainly yet. We don't in every practical sense imagine that it would a productive resource in all things considered. Present moment further appearance how Velo value expectation 2023. As per the Velo figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Velo cost especially is supposed to cross a truly normal value level of $0.004, the normal kind of least value worth of Velo, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to generally be $0.004 in a significant manner. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Velo fundamentally diminished by 54.382%. Disposing of an incredible genuinely normal amount of $0.003 from its certainly current worth. This unexpected down fundamentally implies that the coin certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be a buy in large grade explicitly purchase an open door for kind of fast speculation, which especially demonstrates the way that Velo could generally be exchanging around a very most extreme worth of $0.003, with the base expected cost of $0.003. So Velo explicitly has an in every practical sense, all-out market cap of $21,586,930, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,239,182, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. The 90 days cost change generally is around 2.53%, and the cost truly flowed from a truly least in every practical sense, normal cost of $0.003 to truly greatest sort of normal cost of $0.003 in the beyond 90 days, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. In sort of most recent 4 months, Velo explicitly has shown a developing pattern, exhibiting how all things considered, is Velo an especially wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023, which fundamentally is very critical. Subsequently, we sort of think that comparative pieces of the market generally were very famous at that period, exhibiting that the Velo most certainly is down to nearly 3.69%. In the kind of most recent 7 days in an unpretentious manner, as indicated by the in a real